Hello everyone. In this video, let's discuss how to write a program to find whether a given number is power of 2 or not. Given an integer n, return true if it is a power of 2, otherwise return false. An integer n is a power of 2 if there exists an integer x such that the value of n is equal to 2 power x. Here they have given the value of n is equal to 1. So the value of n is equal to 1, which is nothing but 2 power 0 value is 1. So both are equal, so we can return true. The next example is n equal to 16. 2 power 4 value is 16, so it returns true. N equal to 3, so none of the power value of 2 gives us a value 3, so we have to return it as false. Let's discuss this logic in detail. Let's take n value as 8. So when I take my value of n as 8, the binary representation of 8 is 1, 0, 0 and 0. So from this we can say whatever be the power value of 2, only one bit will have the value as 1 and the remaining bits will have the value as 0 for all the power values of 2. Let's take n value as 16. So the output, the binary representation will be 1, 0, 0, 0. This is the binary representation of 16. From this we can find whether a given number is power of 2 or not. The logic is perform AND operation for n and n minus 1. If the value is equal to 0, then it is a power of 2, else it is not a power of 2. Here the value of n is equal to 8. So when the value of n is equal to 8, the binary representation of n is 1, 0, 0, 0. N is 8, n minus 1. What is the n minus 1 value? 7. So what is the binary representation of 7? 0, 1, 1, 1. So when I perform AND operation for these two numbers, if I get the final answer as 0, then it is a power of 2, else it is not a power of 2. Let's take n value as 16. When I take n value as 16, the binary representation of 16 is 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. Perform AND operation with n minus 1. N minus 1 value is 15. So 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. When I perform AND operation, the final value is 0. When the final value is 0, it is a power of 2. Let us take my n value as 5. So the binary representation of 5 is 1, 0, 1. This is the binary representation of 5. So when I perform AND operation with n minus 1, n minus 1 value is 4. So 1, 0, 0. When I perform AND operation, I have got my answer is 4, which is not equal to 0. Then we can say that it is not a power of 2. This is the logic. Let's try to implement this as a program. Logic is if n and n minus 1 is equal to 0, then we can say that it is a power of 2. So I can return true, else I can return false. This is the logic of the program. Let's run the code now. Okay, this binary operation, so I have to give brackets. Okay, here boolean value will be returning true or false. Okay, so n and n minus 1 will give the value as 0, that is equal to 0, condition is true. So if this is equal to true, I'll return the value as true. If this returns false, I'll print my value as false. Let's submit the code now. Okay, here we have to give one more base condition. Okay, n is equal to 0, we have to return false. So if n is equal to 0, we return false. Now else. Let's submit once again. Okay, for negative values we didn't check. Or I can say n, instead of giving n equal to 0, when n is less than or equal to 0, we have to return false. So because for negative numbers we should not consider it. passes the test cases. That's all.